Alright guys, welcome back to Cowboy Ranch Life channel. My name is Justice and there's Winston in the background. What's he doing? So he's blowing the remaining sand out of my hair because I was sandblasting this morning and off the piece of equipment. So when we paint, we do not want that in the paint, obviously. So I'll explain a little bit about the paint gun we're going to use. Let me switch my camera right around. Alright guys, so this is the paint gun we're going to use. It is, here, let me turn it for you guys. There's the brand name, and then it's got a blue hose, and then this is the paint gun here. It looks like the last thing we painted was yellow. So then, right in there is the black tip, you can see with the hole that moves. So that is the paint gun, and then you just stick this part with a screen into the bucket of paint. So then it's pretty not complicated. It's pretty simple. So I guess we're going to get started, and hopefully you guys enjoy the vid. Alright guys, quick interjection. You're going to have to wait a few moments longer before we get into the rest of the video. Why we filter the paint? We filter the paint, it just helps any little bit of junk that got in the paint or somehow did not get mixed. We cannot have that going through the gun because it will get plugged and tipped. So quick interjection there, that's why we filter the paint.
Alright guys, so as you can tell, we painted it cat yellow. Whoops, wrong place. Alright, as you can tell, we painted it John Deere green. So, here's the outcome, guys. It turned out pretty darn good. It went actually better than I thought it would. So as you can see, the welds kind of blended in pretty good there. So let's go check out some of the frames. I mean, you can see they just shine, guys. So definitely had a good coat overall. And then there's this one. Excuse my notebook. But, I mean, the welds just blended in like we welded there. I mean, that blended in pretty darn good. So, there they are, guys. Now let's take a look at the blades. Alright, can anyone tell but me that these guys are shining? Glistening in the sunlight. Oh, yeah. So, they turned out awesome, guys. As you can see, the shine and the gloss just went perfect. We have them sitting on the back of the trailer because that's where we could get them into position to dry, because we needed our stands for the other pieces. But as you can see, the paint turned out good, guys. Didn't have very many imperfections in it, so we'll get these all put back together. So with that said, guys,
alright guys, so as you can see behind me, green, which is a good color, means we are done. Well, almost. We have a bit left to do. We have some stickers to put on, and then of course the hoses, we'll get them. So this blade will be looking awesome. It already looks good, but it will be looking more awesome, if that's even a word. Awesomer, more awesome, however. But this is done. Like I said, a few decals. So I guess with that, we are going to wrap up today's YouTube video. If you would, drop a like, comment, subscribe, share, tell your friends. Follow us on Instagram, Cowboy Ranch Life, all one word. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I guess with that, we'll catch you on the next one.